How to fix Fortnite not launching in your device. For this first step, open up Task Manager, search for Epic Game Launcher and Fortnite. If it's running in background means you need to end the task completely. Scroll down and search it and end the task. Then move on with next step. Search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Select Allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall. Select Change Settings. Scroll down and search for Epic Game Launcher and Fortnite. Both should enable in private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. If the application not having means click allow another app. Click browse. Go to C drive. Program files. Epic Games. Launcher. Engine. Binary Win64. Get the Epic Game Launcher. Click it. Add it. After adding you need to add Fortnite also. Click allow another app and add it. Once adding after click OK in the bottom side. Close it and move on with next step. Open up Epic Game Launcher. Click the Fortnite game, click the three dot icon, click manage and click verify file. Wait for some time, it's actually verifying the game file. If there is any corrupted file having means it will rectify it. After completing, one more time click the three dot icon, click manage, click installation folder, click Fortnite game, binary, Win64, EC anti-cheat. You have seen the EC anti-cheat setup. Click it. Double click the EC anti-cheat setup. It should run like this. Do it for 2 to 3 times. After close it and move on with next step. Search for run and type the following text: percentage local app data percentage. Click OK. Search for Epic Game Launcher folder. Click it. Click save the folder. Delete the web cache. Close it and move on with next step. Open up this PC. You have enough memory space. Make sure it. After right click it, click properties, click tools, click check and scan the drive. Wait for some time. It's actually scanning the drives. Once completing after it will throw up the message successfully scanned. You have seen no error were found. After close it. And the next step, search for device manager, click it, click display adapters and update the drivers. Right click it, click update driver. Once complete after close it and restart your device. Thank you.